Imagine rolling up in a car that used to scream millionaire but now costs less than a boring old Corolla. These dream machines have crashed in price, yet they still pack the power, luxury, and presence that turn every drive into an event. But here's the twist. Some of these bargains hide expensive secrets most buyers never see coming. You ready to find out which luxury rides are dirt cheap right now? This was once the executive dream car for British royalty, Hollywood producers, and anyone who wanted to show quiet power without shouting it. Today, you can grab one for the price of a used Honda Civic, seriously. The aluminum body XJ still looks like money. It's sleek, long, and aged like a glass of scotch in an oak barrel. Slide inside, and you're wrapped in leather, real wood, and that subtle scent of old-world craftsmanship that the Germans simply never mastered. The digital dash was futuristic back then and still feels classy today. Power? Even the base V6 delivers silky smooth acceleration, while the supercharged V8 turns this limousine into a rocket with a British accent. The air suspension floats over potholes, and the cabin hushes the world outside, pure serenity. But here's the insider scoop. Early owners paid dearly for that serenity. Air suspension compressors, timing chain tensioners, and infotainment screens can go south. Before buying, listen for any knocking during cold starts and make sure the suspension raises and lowers evenly. If not, that's a red flag. Fuel economy hovers around 20 miles per gallon, which isn't terrible for what you're driving. Maintenance costs? Manageable if you find one with service records and a mechanic who knows Jaguars. Who should buy it? Someone who wants to glide into the golf club looking like a CEO on vacation, not a YouTuber chasing clicks. Ideal years to target: 2013 to 2016, when Jaguar had sorted most of the quirks. Expect to pay around $15,000 to $25,000 for a clean one. And the next car? Let's just say it wears an Italian badge, looks like a sculpture on wheels, and might be the most misunderstood luxury deal of the decade. This one is pure temptation on four wheels. A full-size Italian luxury sedan that looks like it should be parked outside a Milan fashion show, not listed for under 20 grand. The Maserati Quattroporte was once a six-figure status symbol, the kind of car that made even Mercedes owners glance twice at the stoplight. Today, it's one of the most dramatic bargains in the luxury market if you know what you're getting into. Let's start with the appeal. The design is timeless, all sculpted curves and tension lines that still make most modern sedans look like plain appliances. Step inside, and you're greeted by Poltrona Frau leather, real wood, and that intoxicating blend of Italian charm and chaos. Everything feels handcrafted, because it actually was. The seats hug you like a tailored suit, and the V8 soundtrack? It's opera. Deep, raspy, emotional, and completely addictive. But let's keep it real. Owning a used Maserati is not for the faint of heart. The early DuoSelect automated manual transmissions were notorious for jerky shifts and expensive clutch jobs. If you're looking, aim for the later ZF automatic versions starting around 2012. They're smoother, far more reliable, and much cheaper to maintain. Always check for oil leaks around the valve covers and listen for any ticking at idle, a sign that the timing variators might be wearing out. Fuel economy lands around 15 miles per gallon city and 23 on the highway. But no one buys a Maserati to save on gas. What you're getting is a driving experience that still feels alive and special, even a decade later. Ideal for the driver who wants exclusivity, personality, and theater in every drive, not another quiet commuter box. Expect to find solid examples between $18,000 and $28,000, depending on mileage and history. Enjoying the content? If so, grab your phone, subscribe, and drop a comment with your city, because we've got even more hidden gems coming your way. And the next one, well, it's German, but not the brand you're expecting. It hides a secret weapon under the hood that made even AMG engineers raise an eyebrow. Here's the luxury sedan almost no one remembers, and that's exactly why it's such an incredible deal today. The Volkswagen Phaeton was Ferdinand Piëx's personal obsession, a car designed to prove that VW could build something as refined as a Bentley. Because, well, they actually did. Underneath, this thing shares major DNA with the Bentley Continental Flying Spur. Yet, you can now buy one for less than $10,000. From the outside, it's understated, almost anonymous. But that's part of its genius. The Phaeton doesn't shout money, it whispers it with confidence. Step inside, and suddenly you're surrounded by thick slabs of wood, buttery soft leather, and a cabin so overbuilt it could survive an ice age. Everything feels solid, from the way the doors close with a satisfying thud to the silence once you're inside. It's a rolling vault. Engines ranged from smooth V6s to thunderous W12s, but here's the truth. Go for the V8. It's the sweet spot between performance and repair sanity. The W12 might sound tempting, yet it'll drain your wallet faster than a Vegas weekend. Before buying, check that the air suspension holds its height overnight and that the cooling system doesn't show signs of leaks. If it passes those tests, you're looking at a luxury cruiser that can run for hundreds of thousands of miles if treated right. Fuel economy averages around 17 miles per gallon, but comfort is off the charts. The seats are heated, cooled, and massaging, and the dual climate zones could host 2 different seasons in the same cabin. This car suits someone who loves the idea of a hidden gem, a driver who appreciates subtle sophistication over flash. You'll find clean examples for $7,000 to $15,000, depending on condition and mileage, and most people will never guess you're driving a cousin of a Bentley. And next up, we're staying European, but moving north, to a Swedish sleeper that redefined safe luxury with a wild side most buyers completely missed. If you think Volvo means safe but boring, this one's about to blow that idea straight out the tailpipes. The Volvo S80 V8 was the brand's secret weapon, a luxury sedan so civilized on the outside that no one suspected it was hiding a Yamaha-built 8-cylinder engine under the hood. Yeah, Yamaha, the same company known for high-performance motorcycles and wild engineering projects. This Swedish machine is an undercover powerhouse that you can now find for less than $10,000. From the outside, the S80 is pure understatement. Clean lines, soft curves, and that trademark Scandinavian calm. But press the start button, and the deep growl of that V8 tells a different story. It delivers over 311 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic that's buttery smooth. It's the kind of car that glides through traffic one moment and surprises everyone the next when you floor it. Inside, it's classic Volvo comfort. Supportive seats that feel like they were sculpted for long road trips, real wood trim, and one of the quietest cabins of its era. The build quality is outstanding, and because this isn't a badge that screams luxury, most examples have been babied by mature owners who treated them like fine watches instead of toys. Known issues? A few, but manageable. The rear differential bushings can wear out and cause a thump sound, and the transmission needs fluid changes more often than Volvo claimed. Inspect the coolant system closely, the V8 runs hot, and neglect there can be costly. Fuel economy sits around 20 miles per gallon combined, which isn't bad considering what's lurking under the hood. You'll find well-kept examples between $8,000 and $13,000, and they're rare enough that you'll almost never park next to another one. Perfect for someone who wants stealth, wealth, the comfort of a Lexus with the heart of a sports car. And coming up next, we're jumping back to a brand known for precision, performance, and surprisingly affordable luxury that used to rival 6-figure sedans. It's the best-kept German secret from the early 2010s. If the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series are the loud kids at the luxury table, the Audi A8L is the quiet genius in the corner-sharp suit, low voice, and a brain full of secrets. Once a $100,000 executive limousine, it's now shockingly affordable and one of the smoothest luxury buys you can make for under $20,000. The A8L, that L standing for long wheelbase, was Audi's masterpiece of subtle sophistication. Built mostly from aluminum, it's lighter and nimbler than you'd expect for such a big car. The styling is elegant and understated, the kind of design that doesn't age. Slip inside, and you're surrounded by whisper soft leather, real wood trim, and that signature Audi fit and finish that still feels solid after a decade. Rear passengers get legroom that rivals a private jet, complete with reclining seats, sunshades, and 4-zone climate control. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter supercharged V6 is the smart choice. It delivers around 333 horsepower with effortless torque and surprisingly good reliability. The V8 models are faster, but they add complexity and maintenance costs that can sneak up on you. Listen for any timing chain rattle during cold starts and check that all electronic features from the soft closed doors to the air suspension operate smoothly. Fuel economy stays near 23 miles per gallon on the highway, which isn't bad for something this massive. What you get in return is a car that glides down the road like a whisper. Who should buy it? The driver who wants full-size German prestige without the full-size repair bills of a BMW or Mercedes. Prices now hover between $15,000 and $24,000 depending on mileage and condition. And the next one? Oh, it's not European at all. It's a Japanese luxury sedan that went head-to-head with the best from Germany and came out quietly on top, offering bulletproof reliability wrapped in pure class. Now this, right here, is the final boss of forgotten luxury sedans. The Infiniti M56 was Japan's answer to the big German flagships, but it didn't just compete, it over-delivered. Back in the early 2010s, this car cost around $60,000, brand new. Today, you can find a clean one for less than $15,000, and it might just be the smartest luxury buy on the market. Let's start with what makes it special. Under that sleek, muscular body sits a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter V8, pushing a thundering 420 horsepower. No turbo lag, no drama, just instant, buttery smooth acceleration that will make you question how this car ever got so cheap. The 7-speed automatic keeps everything balanced between power and comfort, making highway cruises effortless. Inside, the M56 is peak Japanese craftsmanship. The seats are thick, supportive, and available with both heating and cooling. The cabin feels more like a handcrafted lounge than a car interior, with soft-touch materials, rich wood trim, and an intuitive layout. The sound system, developed by Bose, still rivals modern setups. Now for the smart buyer tips. The V8 itself is solid, but it runs hot. Oil changes every 5,000 miles are non-negotiable. Transmission fluid needs regular replacement, and front suspension bushings wear faster than you'd think, so listen for clunks over bumps. Check that all electronic features, especially the climate and seat controls, work perfectly before signing any deal. Fuel economy sits around 16 miles per gallon city and 23 on the highway, which is reasonable for the performance you get. The M56 is perfect for drivers who want that high-end experience, luxury, speed, reliability, without paying the premium badge tax. It's a sleeper, a car that blends into traffic until you step on it and leave everything behind. So, if you've been dreaming about a luxury car that doesn't empty your wallet, these 6 machines prove you don't need to be rich to ride like you are. And that wraps it up. 6 dream luxury cars that lost their price tags, but not their class. Each one still turns heads, still feels special, and now they're finally within reach. And don't stop here. Check out our other videos on reliable hidden gems and sports sedans that age like fine wine. Your next ride might already be waiting there.